Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PS5. Now all you have to do is go to the PlayStation Store, select it, and then scroll on the PlayStation Store and go to the search function and search for Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Okay, now if you just type Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So as you're typing, it's going to narrow down the results for you and you should find the Black Ops 6. So this is what that looks like, the first result here. So select it, and before you select it, you might notice that it shows as if the game is in your library. So if you have previous versions of Call of Duty, it may show up as if Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is already in your library, but it's not. So if you click here and click on download, it's actually going to install previous versions of Call of Duty that you've had. So what you need to do to get the Black Ops 6, just flick your analog to the right hand side to the three dot button, click on that, and then click on view product. Now you can actually see the Black Ops 6 page. You can even read information, you can watch a couple of videos. More importantly, at the top there, you can purchase the game. So if you go to the right hand side and the three dots, you can purchase the cross-gen version or the BO6 Vault, so basically Black Ops 6 Vault version. Okay, so decide which one you want. For me, I'm just going to install the standard version, so I'll come here, which costs 70 bucks. I'll click on that, and then I'll confirm the purchase, which comes to 88 bucks. That's after taxes, and of course after 1 month subscription of PlayStation Plus. So once you're finished with your purchase, just once you confirm, just click on confirm purchase. You might need to enter your PlayStation Network password. Once you type in the password, just click on continue. And as you can see, the PlayStation Plus has already been subscribed to, and now the game should be ready to download in a few. There you go. So there you go. So we have Call of Duty ready to download. So just click on the download button and it's gonna get installed. So right now I'm just going to go to install options, and I'm going to uncheck all these other options and just install pack 1 and pack 2, and then click on OK. Have those ones installed. So that is basically how to go ahead and install, basically purchase, download and install Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.